Welcome students. Now we are moving to our exercise 1E, and in this exercise we'll find mostly the questions based on divisions. Okay, so we'll start with the first question of exercise 1E from R.S. Agarwal. First one, 4 by 9 divided by minus 5 by 12. We know that after division, if I want to convert into multiplication, we have to take a reciprocal. So 4 by 9 multiplied by 12 by minus 5. मैंने क्या किया, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन लिया और ये जो नेक्स्ट टर्म है उसमें रेसिप्रोकल. ओके, सो अगर कैंसलेशन पॉसिबल है इन दिस, विल डू दैट, देन विल सी. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Is there any other cancellation is possible? No. So the final will be 4 into 4, 16, 3 into minus 5, that is minus 15. That is the property of multiplication. Numerator will be multiplied by numerator. Denominator will be multiplied by denominator. Okay. Now same way, second one, minus 8 divided by minus 7 by 16. So minus 8 multiplied by 16 by minus 7. यहाँ पे हमें मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स लेना है, साइन चेंज नहीं करना है. ओके, डोंट चेंज द साइन, ओनली divide will be converted into multiply. Whatever the positive negative sign in the next term, we have to keep as it is. Minus minus plus now. Is there any possibility to cancel it? No, not possible. So what we will consider here? So 8 into 16 divided by 7. So we'll multiply. We will get 128 upon 7. This is the answer. Cancellation is not possible. Now we'll move to the third one. In this third one, again we are going to do the same step. Minus 12 by 7 multiplied by, here denominator is 1. So what we'll do, we'll take reciprocal, that is 1 upon minus 18. We'll do the cancellation, minus minus plus. You could see that this can be cancelled by 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 6s are 18. Again 2, 3. Now any other cancellation is possible? No. So what is left at the numerator? 2 and 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. So this is the way to solve equation number 1, that is simplification. Change the division into multiplication, and the next term you have to take a multiplicative inverse or a reciprocal, but don't change its sign. Now I'll move to the second question. In second question, it is given that verify whether the given statement is true or false. Okay, so we have taken a second question over here. First, you can do it easily, so I have taken the second one. It might be somewhat tough in this question. Now, we know that verification will always start from LHS and then we'll move towards the RHS. If both the statements are having same answer, then we'll be saying that LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so first we'll try to solve the values inside the bracket. Minus 16, right now I explained to you, division will be converted into multiplication and you have to take the multiplicative inverse. Again minus 10, that is into 10 by minus 9, right? You could see that divide, multiplied, so 5 by 6, multiplied, so 10 by minus 9. Here cancellation is possible, so we'll take that. 2 3s are 6, 2 8. Clear? Now what we'll do, numerator will be multiplied by numerator and denominator is 1, so denominator into denominator. Now 8 into 5, minus 8 into 5, that is minus 40 upon 3. Next is 10 by minus 9. Now is there any cancellation possible? No, not possible. So the answer will be minus minus gets cancelled out. 40 into 10 is 400 upon 27. This is your LHS value. We'll try to identify the RHS value now. You could see that RHS first one is minus 16, division sign, so we have to take multiplication. Sorry, in this type of question first we will take keep as it is, because first we have to solve inside the bracket value, that is 6 by 5 multiplied by 10 by minus 9. Now what we'll do, we'll do the cancellation. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 5 1s are and 5 2s are 10. Now what I got, numerator multiplied by numerator, so minus 16 divided by 2 into 2 is 4, minus 3 is keep it in your mind that sign is as will be kept as it is, so it will be minus divided by 4 by minus 3. We know that if I want to change the sign, I have to take a reciprocal of 4 by minus 3. 16 minus 16, that is minus 3 by 4. 4 4s are 16. Right? So minus minus plus 3 into 4 is 12. So what I got? One is 400 by 27. One is plus 12. Is it equal? No, not equal. So this statement is false. Why I am writing false? Because in question it is being asked that you have to say whether the statement is true or false. So we'll say that it is a false statement. In this way you have to do the verification. Second question as well as the third questions are of same type, but the questions are of some different. Yes, all the questions are of same type, so you can do it easily. Question number 2 and question number 3. Now I'll move toward the fourth question. Now I'll move to the fourth question. What is given here? The product of two rational number is minus 9. If one of the number is minus 12, then find the other. So we'll try to relate it. So according to the statement, we'll do in this way, product of two numbers. This you can do it roughly, okay, so that you can easily identify. So what is given? The product of two rational number is minus 9. If I multiply two rational numbers, I am going to get the answer as minus 9. If one of the number is minus 12, then find the other number. This is all to be done in rough. If you are understanding directly, then no problem in this case, you can do it directly. Now, here one number has been missing over here. So what we'll do, we'll write that let the number be x. If the number is x, so I'll substitute x over here. So what is the equation now? Minus 12 into x is equals to minus 9. Now 12 is in multiplication. If I shift it to the right hand side, that is in division. So x is equals to minus 9 upon minus 12. Minus minus gets cancelled. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So what is the answer over here? 3 by 4. Therefore the number is now 3 by 4. So this is the answer of question number 4. I think same type of question number 5th is we'll do in the next video. Okay. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. This exercise is based on the division. Okay, and we have applied some of the division properties over here. Thank you.